new year, I wanted to let you all know about a new service called Design to Sell that is going to help our clients expedite the selling process and help buyers as well. So I'm super excited to announce a partnership with Style to Design, a company that's actually made its mark on HGTV. So according to the National Association of Realtors, 83% of buyers agents agree that a well-styled home not only helps buyers visualize themselves in a space, but those houses actually sell for 8 to 13% higher. Traditional staging is great. However, it can be expensive, it can be time consuming, and it's often very difficult to move furniture out in order to move new furniture in. So that's where something called reality staging comes in. So imagine transforming any room in your house with just a photograph. Well, that's really what this is. So we can now restyle the room virtually and offer fully designed vision boards that are complete with links to every piece of furniture and decor that you see on the board. So this eliminates the costs for physical staging, and it can be done in any room, any size home, really anywhere. We can even do it exterior-wise. So that's not all. It's not just staging. We're actually offering renovation boards now. So this technology can take images of your kitchen and virtually remodel it, showcasing a more modern style that can, highlight the home's potential. We can then use these design simulations and these design boards as listing photos and to help market and sell your home faster. So with all the years of design and investing, I'm really excited to help sellers furnish and design their homes for a better return on investment and make that listing stand out more than other listings. So we can also use this platform to help buyer clients. So if we're shopping for a new home, we can really help you visualize the potential by sending those MLS photos to our design company. So I'm super excited about this partnership. It's combining my passion for real estate and design. It's going to benefit all of you guys. It's going to be really fun. And for more information, reach out and let's create your dream home.